Juliet Carter was born in a small town in Mississippi, USA. Her family lived in a modest wooden house by the river. Her father was a mechanic, and her mother worked part-time at a local diner. Money was tight, but laughter and love filled their home. From an early age, Juliet was taught to work hard and never complain. As a child, Juliet loved books. Her favorite place was the small public library in town. She would sit for hours, reading stories about faraway places and great people who changed the world. She dreamed of becoming a doctor, even though no one in her family had ever gone to college. At school, Juliet was a quiet student. She didn't have many friends, but her teachers noticed her determination. She always asked questions, stayed after class, and worked hard on every assignment. Her science teacher once told her, "Juliet, you have something special. Don't ever stop chasing your dream." When she was 14, tragedy struck. Her father had a serious accident and could no longer work. Juliet took a part-time job cleaning offices after school to help her family. It was exhausting, but she never missed a single day of class. By the time Juliet reached high school, she was juggling multiple jobs. She cleaned houses, served food at a cafe, and tutored younger students. Most nights, she studied until midnight. Her goal remained the same: get into medical school, no matter what. Her hard work paid off. Juliet graduated top of her class and received a scholarship to a prestigious university in New York. It was the first time she had ever left Mississippi. The city felt overwhelming, but Juliet was determined to succeed. College life was tough. She felt out of place among wealthy students. Sometimes she skipped meals to save money. But Juliet remembered her mother's words, "Don't let your background decide your future." She kept pushing forward. In her second year, Juliet joined a program that offered free medical services to the homeless. She volunteered every weekend, and the experience changed her. She realized she didn't just want to be a doctor, she wanted to serve people who had no one else. Juliet applied to one of the most competitive medical schools in the country, and was rejected. She cried for hours but didn't give up. She took more classes, improved her scores, and applied again the next year. This time, she was accepted. Medical school was even harder than college. The hours were long, and the pressure intense. But Juliet had been through worse. She knew how to fight, and she knew how to endure. In her third year, Juliet's mother passed away after a long illness. It broke her heart, but she kept going. She wanted to honor her mother's sacrifices by becoming the doctor she had always dreamed of being. After years of struggle and study, Juliet graduated with honors. She became a pediatrician and returned to Mississippi to serve the community that raised her. Her clinic offered free checkups for children from low-income families. Juliet's story spread across the state. She was invited to speak at schools, universities, and medical conferences. But she always remained humble, always telling the same message: if I can do it, so can you. She started a scholarship fund for girls from small towns who wanted to study medicine. Education, she said, is the most powerful tool we have to change lives. Today, Dr. Juliet Carter is not just a doctor. She's a symbol of hope. Her clinic has grown, her team has expanded, and thousands of children have received care they otherwise couldn't afford. When asked what kept her going, she says, "I never saw obstacles. I saw steps. Each challenge was just another stair toward something greater." Juliet's journey wasn't easy. She worked hard, cried often, and doubted herself many times. But through every setback, she chose to keep moving forward. Her life is a testament to what is possible when passion meets perseverance. She may have come from humble beginnings, but she now stands as a light for others trying to rise. And as she often tells young people, don't let where you come from stop you. Let it be the reason you fight even harder.